Ready. Red pea soup with chicken, butter and cow skin. Ready. Good morning. Ready.
Yes, guys, we just have to find the road now. Huh? Watch me, mommy. Watch your foot. Yes, guys. This is Corey. What we did on the road, we are going right now. We are going to the market. Just to pick up my card. Scale. Far right.
Go on.
Go on.
My brother. Give
Dep
thanks
on
to
it.
sunshine.
Yeah, man.
Jolly.
See, River Stream. Respect. Yeah, guys, you just see Shaka right now, so stay tuned. Yeah, so I buy some scallion from that girl there. Yeah, I go like, you know, sell me for cheap.
That's right.
Yeah, them must want to see them here, my friend. Eh?
Drive you over.
Yeah? They want me to go what me for do? Yeah, nah, I say what me for do. She not rap me, but I see them. Yeah. 29. Alright. Yeah, 29, yeah. $30. Alright. How much you will get there, sir?
Over me at
Eh?
You're over me at 28 after
28 how much?
89.
Yeah, here this is Rasta man, how go on? You have juice. Me have juice. Yeah, how much is your orange juice? 150 reals. Yeah, man. The eye is like You can't change that?
Yes, it's a bad
What you say now, brother?
87, I say. How much that? 740.
Yes, guys, so I eat that. So you will see me back now when I buy onion now. How much is time? 4 bills? Alright, give me 3 pounds at time. Yeah, guys, so I'm pay already, so that's why I see me and get the money. So when I buy the onion, I make it see, guys. So respect. Yes, guys, I'm going to buy the onion them now. River Stream TV at the market. Yes, I'm going to take them one of them. We have a cigar. Come, hold this to me, I'm going to go up there, sir. Just hold it pan there, sir. Same way, sir, yeah. Alright.
It's so dark. Bye-bye. Got someone on the pan photo, you're the pan camera. Hi, sir. Sorry.
Yes, guys, I eat that, so 2 bag of onion and that take. Yeah. Yes, guys, you people are buying at the market. Sweet pepper.
Oh, what is that? Very open there.
Sorry.
Nice.
Ginger. Yeah, you see enough people that come by from here though. And from my video, yeah, you know, you see it. Enough people that come by from here. I see them see a thing, you know. Yeah, Coronation Market people. Have ginger. Onion. Melon. Sorry guys. Chili and pumpkin. People them busy about guys, so if anything we do in our next little clip, and I hit that guys. So remember to subscribe, share and like guys. Yes guys, so I'm gonna buy some cucumber. If anything, I'm gonna buy some sweet potato. So guys, she may buy them. Yeah? Yeah, from my YouTube channel, may I put it. I put it on my YouTube channel. Yes, I see me buy the onion. Yes guys, I'm just there on the street now, see how the cats there. sell out them. If them done, show the guys same procedure like last week. So stay tuned guys, Riverstream TV. No, we have to done this. Almost done. Yes guys, this is what left. So you know we're not ramp with the road. This left man. So, and this so done too. Yeah man, say you know, say subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. I done know please.